Hello, this is Jace Fugate with another session of the Introduction to the Go Programming Language course. In the last video, I kind of alluded to some gotchas that come with making copies of slices and just using slices in general. So let's go ahead and show you. So let's run this. This is the same example that we had in the last video. As we see here, we have first slice, we create another slice out of that first slice, then we make an array, and then create another slice out of that array. Now, what would happen, let's copy all this down, we're gonna do some modifications. What would happen if I took the first element of the first slice and from a 1 turned it into a 10? And I'm gonna comment this out for now. Well, if you notice here, both of the slices changed. When you made just an array out of another array, when you changed one array, it did not affect the other array. With slices, it doesn't work that way. If you make a slice of another slice, if you change the first one, it will change the second one. Same goes the other way around. If I were to change, excuse me, wrong button. If I were to change the second item, or the fifth item, or the fourth index, it would change both of them as well. Well, let's see if this comes true with arrays as well. Oops. So let's uncomment this out. Let's do array 1, 0 equals 100. And let's change S3, 4 to 500. See what happens. Oh, you have the same result. So when you create a slice, you can almost think of it as a window. When you're making a slice from another slice or a slice from an array, you can kind of think of that copy as a window to the original. When you make a change in one, most likely it's going to be making a change in the other. And you have to remember this because it can cause some headaches sometimes when you want to make a copy of a slice and you then change that slice and you get unexpected results. Thank you guys so much for being here. We'll talk more about slices in the next video. We hope to see you soon.